Hello, welcome to Here We Go, and welcome to the Brilliancies from Go Classics. Gokyo Shumyo, or the Brilliancies from Go Classics, is a famous collection of 520 problems written by the Japanese player Hayashi Genbi in 1812. This collection offers excellent practice for amateur players. That is why I have decided to walk you through all 520 problems here on my channel. For each problem, please pause the video at the beginning and try solving the problem on your own. After you solve the problem, or if you cannot solve it, you should spend at least 20 minutes on making a serious effort in calculating. Then you may come back to my video for the correct answer and explanation. Gokyo Shumyo is divided into 7 sections. In this playlist, let's explore Section 5, which is called Chasing and Capturing. All the questions are for black or white to capture its opponent's stones. Knowing how to capture the opponent's stones is foundational to the game of Go. I explain the basics of capturing in a playlist called Chapter 1, Capture Techniques, here on my channel. Some of the problems in this section might seem challenging at first, but they are readily solvable if you slow down and calculate carefully. Now let's work our way through these 40 problems in the Chasing and Capturing section. Good luck and have fun.